tangy, fresh and so comforting. This is lemon rice, and today I'm showing you how I make this simple, flavorful dish at home, perfect for lunch boxes, quick meals or even leftover rice. I picked these lemons fresh. I'm using one big lemon for this recipe. Let's start with the rice. Here I'm taking 1 cup of basmati rice and washing it twice. This helps remove extra starch and keeps the rice nice and separate. For 1 cup of rice, I am adding 1.5 cups of water and cooking it in an Instapot on pressure cooker mode for 5 minutes. Once the pressure is released, remove the lid and let the rice cool completely. This step really helps the rice stay fluffy and separated, which is perfect for lemon rice. While the rice cools, take one big lemon, cut it and squeeze out the juice. We will keep this ready and add it at the very end. Now let's prepare the tempering. Heat a pan and add 1/4 cup of oil. Once the oil heats up, add 1/4 cup of peanuts and roast them for a little while until they turn nice and crunchy. Next add mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, dry red chilies, green chilies. You can always adjust the chilies to your taste. Now add 1 sprig of curry leaves. I like slightly break them before adding. I feel it release even more flavor. Next add half a cup of chopped onion. Onions are optional in lemon rice, but I really like the flavors they add, so I'm using them here. Saute until they turn soft and translucent. Now add turmeric powder. I'm adding little extra because I love that bright yellow color in lemon rice. Add a little salt and saute everything well. Once the onions are cooked, reduce the flame to low and add the cooked rice. Add salt according to your taste. Then gently mix everything so the rice gets coated nicely with all the flavors without breaking the grains. Turn off the flame, then add the lemon juice. If you add it while the pan is still hot, it can turn slightly bitter. Adding it at the end keeps the lemon rice fresh, bright and tangy. Mix well, then finally garnish with chopped cilantro. Now it's plating time. Let's serve it up. Just look at that beautiful golden color, the peanuts and the fresh cilantro on top. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, let me taste it. It's so good. The lemon flavor is just right, fresh and tangy without being too much. The peanuts add the perfect crunch and the curry leaves bring so much flavor in every bite. This is such a simple dish, but it always feels so comforting and special. Thank you for watching.